Hey y'all, Stormlight here, back with another video before I pretty much, go to bed. I mean, I still got hour before I'm gonna go to bed, so, yeah. But something has changed with this hurricane. Category 5 on landfall now. Category 5 on landfall now. Here's Melissa down here currently. She's rocking like crazy. She's going crazy. Landfall will be about 7 a.m. my time, so I'm probably gonna be up like 30 minutes earlier than I'm usually in and watch and just make landfall. Right now it's category 4, almost a category 5. Recon was in the same. Recon, I believe. Which recon was it that was in it? It was. They based their recons off of cartoon characters, so Melvin or something. Then I believe Miss Piggy flies into it in the morning. So, hurricane warnings are out. If you actually go ahead and turn on hurricane warnings right now, let me find hurricane. There we go. Tire. Is there a way I can turn off the cone? I don't think there is. Actually, yes, there is. Hurricane warnings are in effect for Jamaica. So definitely watch out. Storm surge warnings are also out, I believe. Not for sure. We'll check. Nope, they aren't. This is gonna be definitely a historic hurricane. People in Jamaica are saying this is not going to do anything. They are wrong. The worst storm surge will be um in Kingston. That is where the worst storm surge will be as water pushes up. It's going to go over the airport. The water's going to go. It's going to be a 15-foot tsunami, basically. And our radar tower is going to go down. Storm surge will also happen over here. So, as water just moves completely in. But yeah, these are two spots. Storm surge will happen. Definitely, if you're watching this video, if you're in Jamaica, please go farther inland and get away from the coast. Your guys' life is at stake. So please move inland. Tell your friends, tell anybody that lives near you to move farther inland. I recommend going probably towards Glengot. I recommend going there, Langstead, and yeah, Mindstead or Manville. Go far inland. Storm surge will happen on this side right here. So you'll have to watch out. Worst part is too, storm surge will also be happening on the northern side of Jamaica as the winds come in this side. So it'll definitely do some catastrophic flooding for whatchamacallit, what are those towns called? Falmouth, Discovery Bay, Monaco Bay, Saint Sandy Bay, and look, see ya. You guys need to watch out. But you guys wouldn't have to be ready on tomorrow around 7 to 8 p.m. So definitely be ready for that. Or I should say Tuesday at 7 to 8 p.m. Bahamas, you guys will need to be ready around probably, I want to say, 10 a.m. Eastern. So yeah, definitely be ready. This thing is not joking around. What it is, I haven't checked. 933 millibar, 144 miles per hour. Oh jeez, this is something you do not want to deal with. We already have 6 fatalities plus 25 injuries from Haiti, and I think it's just Haiti. I'm not for sure, but yeah. Let's go ahead and dive into our module. I'm going to load up chalkboard tidbits. I got to load it up again. You guys will definitely need to be watch out if you're in Jamaica, please. This is something you do not want to deal with. This is gonna probably produce 160-mile-per-hour winds, which is 3 miles over Category 5, I believe. Nope, 5, I believe. Yeah, 5. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna close out weather-wise. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the track. Hurricane warnings are now out for Cuba now as well. Probably soon to be the Bahamas by tomorrow. But yeah, definitely watch out for Jamaica, please. Oh, yeesh. So landfall, what this is showing, 8 a.m. Tuesday. Maybe that could be a little earlier though. Tomorrow, at least. National Hurricane Center still has this thing into Category 5. Cool, wow. We can actually go over to recon. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's our next recon. That's about to go out. But not 934 millibars right there. And if we actually look, you can see that little divot. You can see that divot of the red. See that little divot of the red? That's, yeah. We're getting close to something historical. Go actually look at the. I want to see what all the models show now. Does this? Which force still has this showing? Oh, make a landfall in Jamaica as a Category 3, Category 4. What about HMON? I know HMON hasn't been handled and seen well. Shows a weakening. Oh, Category 4 landfall. But this thing is going to be Category 5. All models pretty much just. Well, not all models. I believe they are. There's 2 models are showing. It's the HA or halves A and then the halves B. So Category 5 as a 910 probably. I want to just take a look at the satellite like. Can I lie? Yeesh. Nothing quickly gets back together. Like, look at the eye, gets back together. Fast. I want to also look at the winds. Yep. About 160-mile-per-hour winds. Yeesh. Oh my gosh, stays a Cat 5 for a bit. And then, bam, weekends. It's Bahamas as Category 3. That actually may be a huge eye, potentially. Oh my god, my cat is nuzzling me. I want to see what the half B shows. Yep, Category 5 landfall. So, yeah, definitely watch out if you're in Jamaica. Please, your life is at stake. We do have storm chasers there in whatchamacallit. Let me fix that for you guys. Let me switch. I'll show you guys what this thing is looking on infrared since I have it pulled up on radar Omega. Oops, sorry. Give it a second to load. It's loading. Give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. Or just give it a second to load. Let's see if it's loaded. This is a chill video. I'm slightly tired. Okay, there we go. But yeah, this is definitely gonna be a historic hurricane. I want to, yeah, our storm chaser in Kingston, Bryce Shelton, he's no longer alive, but you can see, yeah, this is just gonna be something concerning. But yeah, I mean, like, look at that infrared. Look at that infrared. Oh, they just upgraded up up to 5 miles per hour. But holy cow, this thing's gonna cause historic stuff. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap the video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you guys never miss a video. I'll probably do another forecast video tomorrow afternoon. Pretty sure when is this supposed to make landfall according to this? 28th, so tomorrow's the 27th, Tuesday. This it could happen way earlier. Depends. Storm surge is gonna be happening before landfall, so but yeah. But anyways, guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.